Hi, I'm Shoma and I welcome you all to Matthew's Mindful Moment. In today's session, we will do a beautiful technique in cleaning the negative emotions, thoughts, and behavioral habits that we have accumulated in our body and our mind. And we will do this through an action with our right hand. We'll keep the right hand on the chest here. And as I give you the instructions with your eyes closed, all you have to do is listen to my instructions and just very beautifully glide your hand on this part over your chest, and simply with this action feel as if you are wiping out that sensation, that emotion that you're feeling right now. Let us all get started with this very beautiful cleaning of negative energies meditation. Let's close our eyes and let us sit comfortably, be as comfortable as possible. For the next 6 minutes or so, we will dive deep into cleaning some of our very old patterns. Let's get started. Let's close our eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And relax your energies. Take another deep breath in. And once again, let go and release this energy. And let's balance out this energy in the body. And now, take your right hand on your chest, the left side of your chest. Go deep within, keeping your eyes closed. And just think of any one negative emotion that you normally feel very often. It could be anything: anger, hatred, jealousy, frustration, low self-esteem. Think of that one negative emotion that is inside you, that is troubling you for a while now. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, and gradually, with your right hand, start to clean that energy from the chest. Feel that you are wiping off, cleaning your heart with this negative emotion that is clouding it. Very gradually, with gradual movements of the hand, with feeling, with emotion and full sincerity, just clean the negative emotion that you're feeling in your heart. And as you do so, you might feel different sensations in your body. You might also feel the need to cry. And if you do so, that's perfectly normal. Let the tears come, let the emotions come, but continue to heal yourself. Take deep breaths in, release. And now take another emotion that has been troubling you, that has been a part of your body, memory, that has been a part of your mental space for a very long time. Any one negative pattern or habit, and once more clean it from your chest. And as you do so, continue to breathe gently. Breathe in deep, slow and deep breaths. And continue to heal and clean your heart. And now, take another emotion, any thought, maybe a repetitive thought in your mind. And this time, you can take your hand on your forehead or onto both the hands on your head and simply clean this emotion very gradually. You could also do the same on your chest. Continue to heal, clean your body's memory, and your mental space with that healing of that emotion. And now gently keep your right hand on your knees, keeping your eyes closed. Just be with yourself for a while. And whatever sensations, physical or emotional, you might be feeling right now, just let them come and go. We have tended to our body. We have given our body and our mind some rest, some healing. Let the body talk to you for a while. Go deep into your silence. Listen to your body. Listen to your mind. It is thanking you. It is saying thank you and I love you. Thank you for healing me. Thank you for giving me rest. Take a deep breath in, release. And as you begin to bring your consciousness, your awareness into the present moment, become aware of your body, become aware of your mind, your breath, of your surroundings, and very gently you may open your eyes.